Massachusetts judge will announce this morning whether a girl's text messages to a friend are responsible for his suicide. 18-year-old Conrad Roy took his life in July 2014. Investigators later found thousands of texts from his friend Michelle Carter on his phone. Many messages encouraged him to kill himself. 48 Hours correspondent Erin Moriarty has been following this manslaughter trial, and she's at the courthouse in Taunton right now. Erin, good morning.
Good morning, Gayle. Conrad Roy's family members have been waiting nearly 3 years for this day. They're still trying to make sense of why he didn't talk to them about his suicide plans, but turned to someone else. The person Lynn Roy's son Conrad did reach out to was Michelle Carter, a young woman he befriended on a Florida vacation. Both teenagers were struggling emotionally. Michelle suffered from an eating disorder, while Conrad had previously tried to take his own life. He spoke about his depression in this video he made.
I'm 18 years old, and I still haven't recovered from social anxiety, depression. It's controlling me.
They bonded over text messages. Conrad confided that he had suicidal thoughts, and in the weeks before his death, Michelle's responses were disturbing. "I thought you really wanted to die, but apparently you don't. I feel played and just stupid." And then 8 days later, Conrad got into his truck. You can't think about it, you just have to do it. He died from carbon monoxide poisoning after purposely breathing in fumes. Prosecutors indicted Michelle Carter for involuntary manslaughter, making the case that even though she was more than 30 miles away, Carter's texts were so convincing to Conrad that she was virtually present when he took his own life.
And you can commit a crime via text.
Michelle's attorneys argued that Conrad was acting of his own free will.
This is somebody who wanted to eventually take his own life. It was his decision.
You know, I have no idea what the judge will do today, but he may be the best judge to make this decision. Not only is he a retired juvenile court judge, but he taught high school English for 12 years. He knows teenagers. Gayle?
All right. Sounds like he's the perfect person for this job. Thank you, Erin, very much. You can see Erin's full report on this case tonight on a special 48 Hours. It's called Death by Text. It airs at 8/7 Central right here on CBS.